Last week I got an email from my friend Leslie. She said, Jim, have you ever heard of a Frito Corn Salad? And I said, no. Then 2 hours later, my coworker Laura, she said, Jim, have you ever heard of a Frito Corn Salad? And I said, my heavens, I've never heard of the salad, but now I need to find out about it, and I'm making it now. Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's Jim's Kitchen, making and tasting yummy foods. It tastes oh so yummy. This salad cannot be any easier. It takes 2 cans of corn. I'm using the corn with the red peppers and green peppers inside. You just need to drain those cans and dump them into a bowl. Next, you need some Fritos. For this, you specifically need the chili cheese Frito. I'll be giving these chili cheese a good squeeze. But first, let me tell you about Fritos. It all started back during the Great Depression in San Antonio. There was a man that ran a candy shop named Charles Doolin, and he thought, I want to get in the corn chip business. He went to his local gas station, and there was a man there making these corn chip type things, and he thought, wow, these are good. Well, the man sold him the patent, and he was able to start making those chips himself. Well, Doolin worked on the recipe a bit, and then he started selling bags of these chips at his store in 1932. And then in the 50s, these chips were popular. To learn about how they became popular, you might have to watch my Dorito pie video, because Doritos are a part of the story. And so is Disneyland. Check it out. Now you need to pour those crushed chips into the bowl. Add a cup of mayonnaise. And 2 cups of Mexican style cheese, shredded. You just pour that in there and mix it all up. That's it! This is simple. I'll just spice it up just a touch with a little black pepper and a little cilantro. Ooh, colorful. And now I have to see what all the hubbub is about and try this Frito Corn Salad. They weren't wrong. Wow. I love the chili cheese spice in there. It is so great. And then when intermingling with the mayonnaise and the cheese, wow. It is a fun salad. It is perfect for a picnic. I highly recommend this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for this idea. And thank you for watching. You need to try it. And I hope you'll join me again here at Jim's Kitchen. I like to make things. Things like this. Great things. Bye. What did the corn cob say when he received a compliment? Aw, shucks.